All right, I'm live. Great morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Morning coffee chat with Lucina and learn with me in this attraction marketing business as well in my journey in this digital marketing. All right, I'm here to entertain you and inspire you, and also it's all positive vibes, it's all good vibes, talking about life and how to take action. All right, I'm from Cebu Island, Philippines, a mother of three, living in USA for 29 years. All right, come on over, guys, and grab your coffee. And also, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and bell all, and that way you'll be notified every time I go live. All right, welcome here. And also, feel free to smash the likey button. Thank you. All right, come on over here. And I just finished live in my Facebook and my business page as well. And here, I'm giving you a shout out. Everyone here is the weather temperature is gloomy and it's gonna be rain again. So, and yeah, same yesterday. So right now, I am going to do a forecasting while I'm waiting for everyone in the chat. Come on over, everybody. I know you guys are working right now. So if it happened, you're working right now. So just listening and don't forget to smash the like. Alright. Mag-weather forecast muna ako dito. Weather temperature. Let's check the weather temperature and weather temperature forecast. Let's say, right. Let's check weather forecast. Days weather forecast right now is today is 86 degrees. And, uy, hello, teka. Hang on. Alright, I need new eyeglasses. Alright, 41% chance of rain. Showers early. It is the same thing yesterday. And tonight is 64. And that's a still kind of low. Let's see, I want the 10. Alright, then tomorrow, hang on. Then Wednesday, 87 degrees. Oh, 20% chance of rain. I don't know about your area, guys. And let's see here. Tomorrow, 87. Okay. Then Thursday, 87 as well. 15% chance of rain. So I'm not sure for that. And Friday, 86, 24. Saturday, 93. Sunday, 90. And then 54% chance of rain as well. All right, that's our weather temperature over here. And I don't know about your weather temperature. Hey, good morning, everyone. Welcome, welcome. I have 6 amazing, beautiful people over here. Thank you. Welcome to my morning coffee chat with Lucina. And also, do me a favor, smash the likey button in my humble channel. Welcome here, guys. Grab your coffee. And also, comment down below where you're watching from. All right. So this is the weather forecast here in our state. Now I am going to check Cebu, Philippines, where I came from. Their weather forecast as well. Right now it is evening over there. It's right now it's 19 minutes after 9 p.m. over there. So let's say it's Cebu weather forecast. Okay, who is my amazing? Thank you so much. Welcome here, guys. All right, weather forecast and weather temperature here. Let's see. All right, today is, of course, it's more likely. Let me see here. I want 10. All right. Right now is, since evening over there, it's 32. Feels like 32 degrees over there because it's evening. But yet, during the day, it's very hot, super hot and humid. Now, tomorrow weather forecast there is gonna be, wait, this is different. Hang on a second. Doesn't tell me here. I want 10 days. All right, there it is. There it is. Is 77. That's how their weather temperature right now, as of 9:21 p.m. And then Wednesday, oh, of course, is Tuesday evening there. Wednesday is gonna be 89. Thursday 89. Friday 88. Saturday 89. Sunday 87. 30% chance of rain. Monday in the 80s over there. Then when I did live, one was that I didn't do live. I didn't do karaoke yesterday, I think. Day before yesterday. Their weather temperature in Arizona is 114 degrees. Checking that one. Is that right? I need to, let me see, out of curiosity, if that's too hot. Okay, right now it's just all right. I'm checking right now in Arizona's weather. Yeah, it was 114 the other day before yesterday. Today, guys, is 111. That's their weather there. 111. That's way too hot. But anyway, welcome here. Grab your coffee, everyone. Three amazing, beautiful people. Where are you watching from, guys? Where are you watching from? Comment down below where you watching from. Thank you so much. And just finished live in my business page, so my last stop is gonna be I'm gonna live in TikTok. Good morning, welcome here, everybody. Welcome. I know most of you guys is still working. Maybe if someone out there that listening to me, thank you so much. Feel free to smash the like button there. Hang on a second. Hey, love blessings that you love, beautiful. Keep going, pushing for better. Yes, I'm a dreamer. I'm a dreamer. All right. Course, take action. Oy, always take action talaga. Oy, you don't know. We don't know what we don't know. You don't know what you don't know until you really execute. Right? That's all there is. Until like, oh, all right now. When it comes like making a big decision in life, so and sometimes most likely, um, our scarcity mindset, if you allow that, nothing change, nothing. The way you are capable of doing things. Sensible man. From San Francisco, California. Okay, thank you so much. That is very true. That is very true. Make good use of it. That's true. We all have 24 hours in a day. I'm telling my kids, you gotta have to be you have to be like a good steward for your money. And we learn from our mistakes, and you gotta have to learn that, and then that doesn't mean you have to keep repeating doing it, when it comes handling money. Oh, welcome. Thank you so much. Oi, hello. If you're new to this channel, thank you so much, and make sure you subscribe and bell on. That way you'll be notified every time I go live. It's all positive vibes, Life is a journey, and also, and if there's any opportunity out there that looking something, hey, check it out. Take action. Take action lang talaga. Pareso. What's an... Uy, kinsa man ni siya? Uy, I don't want that. That's on you. That's not me. That's on you. Hang on. Remove you, my... Sorry about that. Sorry, guys. Okay. 10 amazing, beautiful people. Welcome, guys. Grab your coffee. And if you do me a favor, smash the likey button. And that way, make it even. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Jose, fantastic. Bell, good to see you. Thank you for stopping by. Heading to work. How is the weather there? It's here. It's all right, guys. I have phone call, guys. I gotta go. I'm gonna relive there.